Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Maggie and today we are doing cranberry lips, which I like to call Lolita, and I'll share more about that at the end. I did use the lipstick that I created at the Bite Beauty Lab. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, starting off with a bare face, I have used my antioxidant moisturizer. Now I'm going to use a Bite primer all over the skin. This is going to help protect my skin from the makeup on top of it. To get rid of those large pores, I need to use another primer. I'm using the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. and just placing that where I have textured skin, large pores, acne, scarring, that type that I want to smooth out the skin. I really like this primer. I think it works so great, and yeah, I've been using it kind of non-stop. I thought it would be like thicker, but it is actually not too thick, and it doesn't have dimethicone, which is awesome. Now that my face has even texture, it is time to get an even tone. So I'm going to use my new foundation. This is the Bite Changemaker foundation. It was on sale for 50% off. I'm not sure if it still is, but I really like it, and it's got all great ingredients. So yes, I'm placing that all over my face using a very packed, dense brush, but it is angled, which is awesome. This brush I got at Miss A, which it was like really inexpensive, so it was a nice store for easy brushes. So yes, just placing this all over my skin to even out my texture. And if you need more, you can add a little bit more. Like I needed just a bit more for my forehead area. So yeah, I'm adding more there. And I was really impressed with this. It does not have any sunscreen, but that's okay. My moisturizer has the sunscreen. So after that, it is time to go ahead and add my concealer. I'm looking for a plant-based or like clean makeup concealer, but for now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape because it is vegan and cruelty-free. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and place that in these areas. So I saw everyone on TikTok placing this in this outer eye area. So I went ahead and tried it, and then I'm placing this all over my spots. Now I'm going to use a densely packed angled brush and blot that away. I did notice a bit of a difference in that outer eye area, which was pretty cool. I had never done that before, so I started doing that recently, and I really do like it. Okay, so I also use this as eye primer. So I am going to put on another eye primer, but I like to use this sort of as a base first for the eye area. So I'm just going to blend that out, and I almost forgot a spot at the top of my forehead, but then I remembered and got it later. Going in with a smaller detailer brush, I'm going to go ahead and just smooth out the edges of everywhere, especially the places where I had smaller spots. So that is it for now. I did notice such a difference, so I'm going to keep doing that. All right, I'm using this Pacifica mineral powder to set everything, and I'm using a dense, fluffy powder brush. I did like this brush, and it did smooth out my face, which I really do like. And it's mineral based, so that's awesome as well. Good ingredients. I'm also using this Sephora powder right under the eye. I have noticed that this really has a blurring effect. I have no idea if it is vegan or cruelty-free or clean, but I went to the store and someone recommended it from Sephora, so I really did start using it, and I do like it. All right, so moving on to the blush and bronzer. I'm using this Too Faced Rome, I think Christmas in Rome palette. This has 3 blushes and a bronzer, a really light bronzer, so I really do like it. So I'm going to use an angled brush to put that on. This is from a Sephora collection, or no, an Ulta collection of Christmas brushes, which are really pretty. They're like clear, and they have like a hot pink metallic handle or ferrule part of it, so it's really pretty. Okay, so I'm placing this in the areas where I want to obviously recede as per usual. And yeah, it's very lightweight, so this is the lightest that I am during the year, so this color works great with me. The next color I'm going to go to is this like corally color, No Place Like Rome. It's really pretty, and I'm taking a fluffy big powder brush, and this is from that same set from Ulta, and I'm just placing that at the tops of the cheekbones, as I always do, making this little pouty face. Blush faces are just something else. But anyways, yes, getting that all over, and next I'm going to go ahead and get some highlighter. I'm still using this one by Becca. They are, in my opinion, some of the best highlighters. This one is in Moonstone, and I'm using a smaller, thinner highlighter brush. These are just hands down the best highlighters. In my opinion, I need to go and buy my favorites. A Champagne Pop and Moonstone are two of my favorites that I need to stock up on, because something about this company going out of business, I'm not too sure, but I do need to stock up. But yes, isn't it so nice? I put it down the bridge of the nose as well. This is the only time where I can do this in terms of highlighting like my entire face like this, because my face is not as oily, so I can really kind of go crazy with highlighter. Now I'm going to go into the Hourglass Diffuse Light. This is just going in the under eye area to add light to that area, and also anywhere I've highlighted, because it really gives it like a soft focus look. And I still have textured skin, so I have to be careful with highlighting textured skin. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pin. I recently got it and I do like it, and I saw that it was clean and vegan and cruelty free, so I really did like it. And I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel that is going to go right over this. I just keep the same shape of my brows. I use this really quickly. I don't pay too much attention to the brows. I probably should, but for every day, I really just kind of blend it in really quickly. And if I mess up, I can still kind of go in with my finger to rub it away, and it will because it's still that liquid. Okay, so adding the brow gel will really make sure that it stays put all day. This is another product that I really do like and highly recommend. So that is the brows nice and completed. Now I'm moving on to Too Faced eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. This is after concealer and powder. It may be overkill, but I really do get oily brows, or I'm sorry, oily lids, and I really do need them to stay put. I put it in the under eye area as well. And the palette that I'm using is this little set that I got from Too Faced. It's a Christmas collection, but I'm still using them. I've kind of been using them since Christmas, so it's totally fine. They were on sale, but yeah, that's what I'm going to use, this Christmas in Paris palette, and it is so pretty. So let me just show you the cover. Isn't it so pretty? Like, it has floral like gold in there, so I really do love it. The first shade that I'm going to take is this taupey brown color here, and I'm just putting that in the crease area using a small blending brush. These brushes are by Real Techniques, and I really do love them. I've incorporated all of the eyeshadow brushes in, and yeah, they're a really good kit. So I'm just getting that, and then I'm going to take a fluffier blending brush. This one is from Miss A, and I just blend that one out, diffuse that color really nicely. So doing the same to the other eye as always. So I have really deep set eyes, so I need to do this part. Now I'm going to take my diffuse light again from Hourglass and just putting that in the brow area, just to add a little bit of light, not too much. And I haven't done my brow, so it'll kind of diffuse those brow hairs. Okay, going back into that palette, I'm going to take this really pretty, like, I don't know, it's like a taupey color. It's called Ladies in Lou. And I'm just taking a paddle brush and just placing this in my lid, the movable lid area. And I've been doing this all month long. It's really simple, really just 2 eyeshadows, and that's it. So yeah, it's really easy to do. Just get that paddle brush and let it do all the work for you. So I'm going to take a smaller Real Techniques brush and I'm going to place that taupey color in the lower lash line just to add a little bit of depth down there. I can't say that word. And then I'm going to take a different brush from Real Techniques and add that Ladies Hulu color down there to add the same light in that area as well. And it looks so pretty, so easy, guys. It really, really is. And it goes with any and all lipstick looks, so I really like that too. Now I'm going to go into this lighter color. It is like a blush color, and I'm placing that using that same brush in the inner portion or inner corner of my eye. This is just extra. Okay, I love this double take eyeliner. I believe this is from Tarte, and it has a liquid liner on one side. So I'm going to use that to just line my lids using a small liner, doing a small wing. And then I'm going to take the eyeliner pencil part and then just line my lower waterline. Now I'm curling my lashes here. I'm using my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. It has been my go-to all month long. It gives me those perfectly curled lashes and it's still dramatic, holds my curls, stays on all day long, and I really do love this mascara, and it is so inexpensive. So for the price, you really cannot beat it. So I really recommend everyone go out and try this. I have a tried and true review for this mascara in my video, so you can check that out. If you get mascara on your face like I do, don't worry, give it a second, let it dry, and then just rub it off like I did. Okay, so moving on to the main event, the lips. So I am going to just rub off anything that I have on, and I'm going to use this Bite lip liner. This is like an invisible lip liner, so you can use it with all lipstick shades. And the cap has like a sharpener where you can make it sharp again, which was interesting to know. I didn't even know that. Now I'm just going to line my lips. This is so that my lipstick won't bleed. When you're wearing a dark color like the cranberry shade that I'm about to put on, lipstick liners are a must, and I really like that this one is clear so I can use it with lots of different shades. Okay, now the lipstick. It is so pretty. It is a lipstick that I created at the Bite Beauty Lip Lab. I will share my experience, the video that I created up here at the top right. So you can see that whole experience there. I really love this lipstick, the way it feels on the lips. It feels buttery and smooth, and it wore all day. It is made from natural ingredients, so you can eat this lipstick, I heard. Not that I will, but I really did like it. And it also has some blue, so it makes my lips, my teeth a little bit lighter. One of the coolest things that I liked is that you can name your lipstick. And I really felt like this lipstick color was Lolita. So that's what I named it. And I am actually going to do this experience all year long. So every month I am going to create a new lipstick from the Bite Lip Lab. So you will see videos of that moving forward all year long. So stay tuned for those. And now I just have some awkward posing. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this video, the voiceover. Would you like to see me talking throughout? I'd love to hear your opinion or advice. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I will talk to you very soon. Bye.